This is Vaughn Stewart with NetApp. I'd like to discuss with you the benefits of virtualizing Exchange Server 2010 on NetApp. Email messaging is the lifeblood of our day-to-day business communications. And more email is served within companies on Microsoft's Exchange Server platform than any other. New in Exchange Server 2010 are some great storage enhancements, starting with a significant reduction in storage I/O requirements. In addition to this reduction is support for low-cost, high-capacity SATA drives. Exchange 2010 also increases the resiliency of this architecture by introducing database availability groups. I'd like to spend just a few minutes discussing this new technology. Now Exchange Server email databases can have replica copies stored on other Exchange servers. Thus, when email messages are received, they're stored in the production database as well as the replica database. I should also point out that for email attachments, a copy of that attachment is stored for every user who received that email. This means when Exchange Server is deployed with database availability groups on a traditional storage array, the storage footprint can grow considerably. However, this is not necessarily the case when deployed on NetApp. Let's take a look again at our Exchange environment. As you can see, we have it deployed in a very traditional model, with each storage object on the controller being represented within our Exchange Server, including all of our copies of our email attachments and all of our replicas within our database availability groups. By enabling NetApp's data deduplication, we can eliminate the redundancy in email attachments across multiple databases. With the addition of thin provisioning, our storage infrastructure changes from one which is pre-built out that we hope to fill up to one that can start and grow on demand. The net result is that customers have moved their storage savings technologies out of Exchange Server and into their storage layer. The best part about NetApp storage savings technologies is that they are transparent. Their use is not observable by the Exchange Server level, and thus they can be enabled at any time. What I'm showing you here is NetApp Systems Manager. It's one of our management interfaces for our controllers. I've selected a flexible volume which is 95% full, and this volume is storing email data for Exchange 2010. I've enabled data deduplication, and as you can see here, our data deduplication has reduced this data set from 95% to only 16% of the flexible volume's capacity. That's significant storage savings. With Exchange, storage savings go beyond the production data set and the database availability groups. NetApp storage controllers provide space-efficient and instantaneous snapshot-based backups. These are integrated with our Snap Manager for Exchange backup and recovery tool. NetApp snapshot-based backups and replication with SnapMirror can also be integrated with VMware Site Recovery Manager for a complete business continuance solution. In short, virtualizing Exchange Server 2010 on NetApp provides a more flexible, available, and efficient storage footprint. The technologies I've shared with you in this demo are available with storage controllers from NetApp and can be enabled on your existing non-NetApp storage controllers through our V-Series virtualization. This has been Vaughn Stewart with NetApp. If you'd like more information on what I've shared with you, please contact your NetApp value-added reseller or sales representative.